Merry Christmas and happy holidays. I hope you are taking some time to relax and enjoy the holiday season, enjoy the festive season with your loved ones. My husband and I had a very quiet Christmas at home. For Christmas Eve, I made a delicious linguine and clams, and for Christmas Day, a yummy shrimp scampi. Aside from that, we watched my most favorite Christmas movie, It's a Wonderful Life. We've been watching it for 23 years. Every year that we've been married, it is our Christmas tradition. Since we've been out here in California for the last 20 years, we oftentimes spend Christmas just the two of us. So we do have a bad habit of spoiling each other. My husband got me a lot of fun little gifts, and I thought I'd share them with you. I love watching these types of videos on YouTube. I really love to see what everyone gets for Christmas. All right, let's get started. Just in case you're wondering what is different about Maria, yes, I have absolutely changed my hairstyle. I've gone back to my roots, and I am now a brunette. If you've been watching my vlogs, you've seen over the last several months how much I've been hating and absolutely despising my hair. It's been so damaged and broken and just falling apart from all the over bleaching that I've been getting done to my hair, and finally decided that I need to give it a long break, maybe even a permanent break, and just go back to my roots. This is going to be a much easier way to maintain my hair, keep it on the route to being more healthier and stronger hair, and that's what I'm really looking for. So no more roots for me. Anyway, let's get into what I got for Christmas. If you watched my luxury gift guide earlier this month, you would have seen a lot of these items on there. I think in some sort of subconscious way, I was probably creating my own little wish list for Christmas. So my husband, of course, took it upon himself to use that list as a guide to get me a couple of gifts. And for the most part, he did really, really well. I'll go from smallest to biggest, starting off with just a little stocking stuffer he got me from Cause. And this is a beautiful necklace that matches those earrings that I've been wearing on repeat. This is an acrylic choker necklace. If you remember these earrings, these are ones that I've been wearing on repeat. So Brett thought it would be great to get me the matching necklace. Now, honestly, I don't think I'm going to be wearing these at the same time because I think it might be a little much, but I do love this nonetheless, paired with maybe a Bordeaux sweater or just something that's very open neckline like this, because I think it is a gorgeous statement and I love the colors. Another little stocking stuffer was this little item from Gucci. This is a lip balm, but the reason he really bought this for me is because I've been wanting a little mirror for my purse, and a lot of brands just don't make little vanity mirrors like this anymore. So he found this one from Gucci, and if I can open it, I'll show you. Is that the wrong side? Is that the... No, wait. My God, I'm so confused. Because this is where it says Gucci. Oh, there we go. It's a cute little mirror with a balm. So when I'm done with the balm, I'll just use it as a mirror. It's really adorable. And something great to touch up my lipstick when I need to. A little something from Fendi. And this was on my wish list for the affordable luxury gift guide. And I'm really, really happy that Brett got this for me. So this is, ta-da, a gorgeous single earring. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I love it so much. Let's throw it on real quick. It is such a statement piece. Beautiful statement earring, just a single one. So maybe I'll put a little stud here on this side, but I really love how that looks. It is very, very, what, 80s, 90s? I don't know, for that one big statement earring. I think it's really, really cool, and I'm gonna be enjoying this. Next up is a little something from Tiffany's, but I do have to preface this with, unfortunately, I'm going to be sending this back, but I'll show you what it is. So this was also on my gift guide for affordable luxury gifts, and perhaps I should have left it off the list because it's really not my style. It might have been something that I would have purchased maybe 20 years ago, but this day and age, it's really not kind of the look that I'm going for. And it's very, very classic. So it's this sterling silver thick choker necklace with a little heart at the bottom. And I mean, it's a beautiful piece, but it really just is not my style. Perhaps if I were to wear it backwards and not have this heart showing, it's just a little too like girly girl for me with the heart. I'm not really into that. It is beautiful nonetheless. I'm just not really in love with it, and I would rather send it back because I don't think I will be reaching for this. Next up is a little something from Hermes. Two little somethings, actually. First up, I had gotten a Twilly for a friend of mine for her birthday, and so Brett thought it would be a great idea to get one for me as well, because I did love how it looks, and I think they make an incredibly gorgeous accessory, not just for your handbag, but for you as well. I love the simplicity of it as far as the size of it, because it's really nice and easy to wrap around your neck. And again, this would be really perfect with an open neck sweater, but just really gorgeous and so chic. I love it so much. I'd probably be wearing it more on my neck than on a handbag, that's for sure. It's double-sided and has really wonderful detail on it. You can just look at this all day because it just has so much going on. I just love the way these are designed. And then there's a second little something. And this is a gorgeous bracelet. So this is costume jewelry, of course, and it is gold plated and the white is glass. So this is really stunning. You kind of just flip it open. I'm gonna struggle with this too. Oh, maybe I have to push it in a little bit. Yeah, so you have to push it in a little bit and the H twists and then it opens up. It's really great, simple, everyday piece that I can reach for. And I love that it's white, so it's nice and neutral. It's just gonna go with everything. And I really love how that looks. Good job, honey. Sadly, I have to say these items do not get you anywhere near a quota for a bag. I have a ways to go before I would qualify for one of those, but it's not that I'm in a rush for one at all. It's not really something I strive to get, but one day, maybe, you never know. I have a lot more little Christmas gifts to go, so maybe in 2030 I'll qualify. You never know. Last but not least, if you had seen a recent vlog of mine in Las Vegas, we had gone to a Christian Louboutin boutique and I picked up some Kate boots, and as much as I love them, I decided to send them back because they're just really, really spendy and I didn't see myself loving them as much as the price warranted for them. So I did send them back, but I did give my husband some little hints that I would much prefer a stiletto instead, a stiletto pump. And my husband is just too good. He listens to me so well, and yeah, that's what he ended up getting me. So here we go. These are the Kate 100 patent leather, and they are absolutely divine. They are really gorgeous, and I can see myself definitely getting a lot of use out of these because these are a classic pump. I'm going to be wearing these on many of date nights and getting some really good use out of these. So I'm super, super excited about them. Here they are. Can you see them? Here they are. I love them. They're so wonderful. Yay! That concludes everything my husband got me for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video and had a little fun with it. I know I did. Wishing you a very special holiday season and an incredibly healthy, prosperous, and joyous new year. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I am so grateful to have you here, and I can't wait to share more moments and more fashion with you in 2024. Bye.